Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Roni Setiawan. You can call me Roni. I want to explain how to check the resistor with digital multimeter. This is a ceramic resistor. I want to read the resistor value visually. The resistor value will be printed on the resistor. Smaller resistor may have their value indicated by color code band. Not the resistor tolerance. No resistor is precisely the value indicated on it. The tolerance indicates how much the print value may vary and still be considered a properly sized resistor. For example, a 1000 ohm resistor with a 10% tolerance indication is still considered to be accurate if it measures no less than 900 ohm and no more than 100 ohm. Prepare a digital multimeter to measure the resistor. Ensure that the DMM comes on and does not indicate a low battery condition. Set the adjustable scale of the DMM to the next setting higher than the expected resistor value. For the example, if the DMM may be set to scale that are multiplier of 10 and a resistor makes a to be measured, set the DMM to the 1000 ohm scale. Next, measure the resistance. Connect the two leads of the DMM to the leg of the resistor. Resistor have no polarity, so it does not matter which DMM lead in connected to which resistor leg. Determine the actual resistor of the resistor. Read the result shown on the multimeter in determining whether or not the resistor is within the allowable ring. For the resistor, do not forget to take the resistor tolerance in account. This is the digital multimeter. Is the value of 9.3 and 8 ohm. And the next, repeats a resistor that gives an accurate reading. Reconnect it to the circuit by pressing it back into place if you pull it free with your finger. If the solder joint had to the melt and the resistor had to be disconnected using pliers. Melt the solder with the soldering iron and use the needle nose plier to push the resistor back into the place. Replace a resistor that measures outside of acceptable value range. Discard the old resistor. Resistors are available in electronic parts stores and hobby stores. Note that replacing the manufacturing resistor will not excessively with the problem. If the resistor fails again, the source of the problem should be sought elsewhere in the circuit. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.